Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Scott. My name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how you could increase the value of your company and generate some more exposure on Google. There's three key factors that come into play with that: content, backlinks, and citations. So just to cover some of the basics, every time you type something here into the Google search bar, these are considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search criteria, search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keywords that are getting typed in here, and then categorizes those websites based on that. This is how you establish rank. You typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So being that we see you here, construction, remodeling, I kind of went with home remodel Raleigh. So I typed in home remodel Raleigh. Of course, we have ads. You can advertise here with ads. It generates a lot of quick sales or quick customers. We have the map area or the map pack. Ranking in the map pack is related to your Google Business profile, your area of coverage, and citations. Citations are anything that has name, address, and phone number linked to your Google Business profile. You generate a lot of local traffic here and create more leads and obviously generate a lot of sales. A lot of people search for near me, and being here in the map is a great way to accomplish that. Underneath the map is the organic rank structure. So you might ask yourself, how do these websites and these businesses get on the first page of Google? So aside from Angie and Yelp or other advertisings, you're looking for a website that's organically ranked here through their content and their backlinks. I see here Raleigh, North Carolina home remodeling. So number 3. So I have your website here, and I have this tool that I can use. It's called Ahrefs. This tool shows me behind the scenes of what's going on with inside a business and the company's email and how they're ranking. I mentioned backlinks are important when it comes to this. A backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. Google uses that to build trust in your company. It creates a lot of popularity. You want to keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. So having maybe a landscaping company referring back to you won't have as much strength and power behind it as another general contractor might. Looks like we have 15 referring domains, other websites connected to you from this, and 798 keywords that you have generating 154 views of traffic per month. On the number 3 side, he was ranking there number 3, Blue Ribbon Construction. Let's kind of take a look at what he has in there. So he's in the number 3 spot. Looks like he has 851 backlinks, 176 referring domains, 390 keywords, generating 279 views a month. So let's take a look at this just to give you an idea of how this works. Content and keywords and what somebody's typing into the Google search bar and how Google finds you for what you have within your website. So these being the keywords and the search volume per month. So North Carolina remodeling contractor, 200 times a month. Home remodeling North Raleigh, North Carolina, 150. Construction companies near me, 100. Contractors Raleigh, 250. Home remodeling Raleigh, remodeling contractor, 50. General contractors Raleigh, 450. So you can get the idea. Collectively, when you add all of these keywords together and it's incorporated into your site, it generates a lot of traffic to you. So you can quickly understand that there's a lot of exposure. There's a lot of exposure coming there. There's a lot of people finding you. Now, the only real difference that maybe I can see here, you do have 798 keywords, but the content might be not geared exactly towards what people are looking for, so the traffic might be low. And also backlinks, if you boosted the backlinks up. Now keep in mind, you can have all the backlinks that he has and then some. the keywords that he's using targeted. You can have those keywords as well. It all depends on what area you're targeting. So you could diverse a little bit, maybe Apex opposed to Cary and Apex and Raleigh, and have that content tied in there with the right keywords to generate more traffic coming to you. So if you've ever thought to yourself, I got a website, I just don't really feel as though I'm getting a lot of traffic out of it, and I'm wondering what's going on. Well, this kind of gives you a little insight to that. When you bring these things together, it starts to generate a lot of value within you. I mean, Google's going to start recognizing that you're being endorsed by others. Your backlinks are on the up. Your content is good. You're being found for your keyword searches. You're in the map. Your local area traffic starts to rise up, and you get a lot more exposure that way. So I just wanted to share that. If you had any questions or concerns, I would be more than happy to speak with you. I hope this was insightful. Thank you, and have a nice night.